nailed it! Hey, slow down! It's too fast, but I'll still try. Huh, I'm on the right track. Now my favorite part. Come on, fold and hold. That's fun. My first plane is ready. Whee! Ah!
What a terrible, terrible day. I've had enough.
Sue, what have you done to my plane? Look at it. It's ruined, destroyed. Duh!
I'm sorry, Sammy. I'm not in the mood today. My mood is like my laptop. Just as gray and plain and boring.
You're right, Sue. Let's upgrade it. We'll need nails, a hammer.
Nails? A hammer? No way. Not happening.
Or we can take paints. Nah, that's a bad idea. Ah!
No, no, no. That's a great idea, Sammy. Let's paint my laptop.
Yo, can I breathe now?
Oh, my feta. Well, let's start the laptop cover makeover. A brush. Sammy, could you bring paints?
Huh? Paints? No problem. I've got loads of paints. I'll pick the brightest. It smells like breaking news. Let's go.
While Sammy is away, I'll start using this white paint.
Are these... Hey!
Oh, we're news reporters, and we think you have something interesting to tell us.
Huh? Actually, I'm very, very busy. Bye.
That's very suspicious.
Sue, here are the most beautiful paints you'll ever see. Huh? Don't get me wrong, but white isn't its color.
Sammy, patience. It's just the beginning.
Wow, that looks fantastic, like real art. But how are your hands moving so fast?
Think that's fast? How about this?
But Sue, are you sure it'll help your laptop look cool?
Wait till the end, and you'll see, my friend.
If you say so. Hey!
Ah, Sammy is so impatient. I'll show him.
Ugh, why are you so heavy? I can't believe I'm doing it. I'm the strongest slime ever. Just one backpack hit and so many parts are ruined. The repair is gonna take forever. Look at this. I'll have to replace the nose completely. It can't be saved. What do we have down here? Oh, no, no, no. That's bad. The electronics are damaged. My poor plane. Gotta check how the tail is doing.
Hello.
Huh? Ah!
Oh, wait a second.
Huh?
We've got just one question. What painting style is Sue using?
Painting style? Something like slapdash and it's over. I'm pretty sure.
Are you sure it's called slapdash? Did you ask?
I heard Sue saying something like that. Bye.
But we haven't.
Hey! These reporters, it's so hard to be famous.
Well, friends, how about adding a lighter shade? The laptop cover is getting more and more beautiful. And now, I'll make these stars brighter using yellow. Ta-da! Do you like how colorful it's becoming? Sammy!
Sue, I've got 2 questions. So listen, why don't we use darker colors here? This way, the picture will look 3D.
Oh, it's a great idea.
Question 2. Are you using the slapdash and it's over style?
Huh? No, I'm using short brushstrokes. And I don't blend them, see?
It sounds too difficult. Does this style have a name?
Oh, I call it the freedom of creation.
The freedom of creation? I need time to memorize it.
Take your time, and I'll add some darker shades.
Ugh, holy cannoli, painting is so tiring. I'd rather watch funny videos. Look at this cat. Oh, a capybara. So cute and funny. Wait, what? They again? And they've got a camera. Weird.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Today, we're visiting talented crafter Sue, who has invented the slapdash technique.
Hey, stop it.
Psst, leave the frame.
This is misinformation.
What's going on?
Who told you this nonsense?
You told us about this technique.
It's called the freedom of creation. And stop filming here. Hey! Go! Go! No shooting, no comments.
Hey!
Ladies, how about calling a truce? You forget what I said. I forget what you recorded. You give me your camera, and I'll delete the evidence.
Giving you the camera? Out of question.
Then change the story. Sue's gonna be mad.
Not happening either.
Oh, I have a fantastic offer. How about I let you guys be the first to see the painting?
It's gonna be a sensation. Let's agree. Okay, Sammy, it's a deal.
I decided to add some flowers. I'll paint them here. These flowers aren't too convenient to paint. What if It's like an easel. Huh? Hey, what's going on?
Hasn't Sammy warned you about our visit?
He hasn't. I'm very busy. Got it?
Wait, Sue! Huh, she's a bit stressed.
I have no time.
I don't get it. Didn't we make a deal?
Nah.
Sue, a few words.
I don't understand what's going on. Did Sam lie?
Sue, you gotta behave. Don't you get it? These are reporters.
Hi.
So what, Sammy?
They want to make a whole new story about your art. You'll become famous.
Hi. Sorry about that. I'm just in a hurry.
It's okay. Just let us record how you're working.
I'm creating a Van Gogh-style painting using short brush strokes.
I use many bright colors.
Let me show you how I'm painting flowers.
This is gonna be a hit.
Told ya, a great news story.
Did you help her?
Of course, the idea was all mine.
That's it for today. I gotta go now.
Have you heard the artist? Time to go. Bye.
There are still a few things to finish here.
Can you imagine? They didn't want to leave. So how is it going? Wow, Sue, it looks amazing. So colorful. Could you paint the walls in my room, Sue?
Maybe. After I finish this?
Cool. Hurry up then. Sue is almost done. Shall I invite the reporters?
Do you like my laptop cover, friends? Then give this video a like.
Could I film your painting for our news story?
Sure, why not?
Yay! The painting is awesome. It'll be a great story.
Yeah, and that's how I got to the Guinness World Records. Can you believe that?
That's it, guys. A talented person is talented in everything. But you also need to work hard. Psst! Film the painting!
Sorry, guys, I gotta run to school. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.